Jackie Robinson, A Life of Determination by Colleen Sexton. Children will be encouraged to dream as they learn how Jackie worked hard to become the first African American in Major League Baseball. And we can tell that this is a nonfiction text because we have a table of contents. What if your dream was to play baseball in the major leagues? What if you had the talent, but you weren't allowed on a team because of how you looked? Jackie Robinson knew how that felt. He was an amazing athlete. He was also Black, and only whites could play in the major leagues. Jackie Robinson was born in 1919. His family lived in a mostly white area of Pasadena, California. Many of their neighbors didn't want to live near a Black family. Some yelled insults at the Robinsons. Some tried to make them move away. But the Robinsons were determined to stay. Life was harder for Blacks in some parts of the United States. They did not have the same rights as white people. Blacks couldn't live in the same neighborhoods as whites. They couldn't go to the same schools or libraries. Blacks couldn't even ride in elevators with whites. Keeping Blacks separate from whites was called segregation. It was the law in some states. Growing up, Jackie was good at every sport he tried. In college, Jackie was a star in football, baseball, basketball, and track. But sometimes he was treated unfairly because of his race. Some white students wouldn't play with him. When his team traveled, he couldn't stay in the same hotels as the white players. But Jackie worked hard every day. He was determined to be the best athlete he could be. In 1945, the Kansas City Monarchs signed Jackie to play baseball. The team had only Black players. Professional baseball was segregated at the time. While whites played in the major leagues and Blacks played in the Negro leagues. Jackie played shortstop for the Monarchs. He was also a talented hitter and a quick runner. A man named Branch Rickey noticed Jackie. Mr. Rickey was president of a major league team called the Brooklyn Dodgers. He wanted talented athletes of all races to play together. In 1947, Mr. Rickey asked Jackie to join the Dodgers. Both men knew people would treat Jackie badly. Jackie knew being on the Dodgers would be tough. Could he do it? Jackie took the field with the Dodgers in 1947. The crowd yelled at him. Players on other teams shouted insults. Pitchers tried to hit him with the ball. Some of his own teammates didn't want to play with him. It was hard, but Jackie was determined. He wouldn't give up. He wouldn't show his anger. Instead, he would fight back by playing his best. Soon, everyone saw what Jackie could do on the field. He hit home runs and stole more bases than any other player. Excited fans started to cheer for Jackie. He had 174 hits and scored 125 runs in his first season. He was even named Rookie of the Year. Jackie stayed with the Brooklyn Dodgers. In 1955, he helped the team win the World Series. In 1962, Jackie became the first Black player named to the Baseball Hall of Fame. By this time, baseball fans of all races respected Jackie. He had opened the door to the major leagues for other Black players. Jackie showed the world how determination can help make dreams come true. Since this is a nonfiction text, we have a glossary. A glossary is a mini dictionary right in the back of a text with words the author thinks that you should know. Athlete, a person who plays sports. Determination, deciding to do something and not giving up. Insult, a rude and upsetting thing to say. Professional, making money for doing a job. Race, a group of people who have the same ancestors and share certain physical features such as skin color. Rookie of the Year, an award that goes to the best first-year player. And segregation, the forced separation of groups of people according to their race, class, or gender.